Oh, what's up, everybody? It's HDGamer here with, as you can see, an unboxing. Oh, it said caution. Okay, I thought it was saying like it's fragile. Here we go. Let's open it. Now, these things are supposed to help my Switch experience, make it better. Like, I mean, I already have a great Switch experience, but it can make it even better, you know what I'm saying? So, we got two things. This is like the first time I think I've ever got two things same time from Amazon. Oh, it comes with a adapter. So, we got a micro SD card for my Switch. Up to 98 megabytes per second. I don't know if that's fast or not. Hopefully it is. And we got the delicious, nutritious gold power adapter charger thing. It's pretty cool. And it's gold. Oh my goodness. It's pretty thick. So, we got a USB 3. Got a regular. And then we got a input. 10,000 mAh, as it says. I feel like this is the first, like, even though it's for my Switch, so power add, it's kind of the first, like, general technology thing I've ever had, really, and unboxed and ordered and stuff. Which is kind of interesting. It comes with a little cable. This is obviously for Switch, like I just said, because Switch doesn't have, like, too much space, and because I downloaded the first Bayonetta, like, it took up 8.5 gigs of space. So, I mean, and I'm thinking I'm probably going to download quite a bit of things, you know, with a Switch in the future. So I just decided getting one of those would be nice. And it wasn't even that much. It was like $17.99. And then this was $22.99, but it's gold. And I can use it for not only... Oh, shoot. What the heck? Did I tap that? I can also use it for, like, my phone and stuff. So let's test it. Also, we got stuff to pop. So we're gonna plugify the Switch. Now I don't know. I think there's clearly a bit of power in here. Yeah. In the this thing. Oh yeah, there you go. Would you look at that? And it's chargifying. I guess that's just a check. Yeah, it's not like a power button. It's just as soon as you plug something in, it goes. So we're at 48%. Nice. And we got this. So we got the adapter, of course, and then the main attraction. Now we can just go ahead and pop that bad boy out. It's like a plastic wrap type of thing. Is that it? It just pops out? Yeah, it does. Nice. Let's get a little focus on this. Yeah. And then we're just gonna bloop. Put that. Oh, okay. And then put this back on. Wow, this is actually charging fast. Okay, I'm just gonna put the brightness up. But it was just at 48 if you don't remember, like a minute ago. And that's fun. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like down there to see more videos. And let me know if you want me to buy stuff. Not really though, because I can only spend so much money. But if you like this kind of video, so subscribe for more stuff. Remember to like and share it around. And I'll see you guys next time with the next video. Peace out, guys. Surprise. We got a bonus time. Bonus time. Bonus time. It's bonus time. We got a special thing in the mail that came at least 5 days earlier, because it was supposed to come between March 7th and 17th, and it came March 2nd. It is Pokemon Sapphire. Okay, good. Doesn't smell like any gross stuff or anything. Woo! If you saw the Pokemon video on Pokemon Day, which is also my guinea pig anniversary, then you'll know what happened and why I purchased this, like half the reason. So, woo! Peace out, guys.